Alright. Hi, I'm in a mall or restaurant, so sorry for the low voice though. Anyways, I just bought this. Actually, why is it like this? Because let me tell the truth. I actually already opened it, but not the packs. As you see, it's legit. It's legit. It's legit. Alright, it's legit. It's legit. It's not cat. And here. This is from China. It's very actually I live in Indonesia. So here's the price in Indonesia. And yeah, let's open it up. Pew. Wait. Pew. Firstly, I already know that they have this because it's in front of the page.
What's the name?
As you guys already know, this is shadow fruit. Now let's keep it. Here is the other fruit. Oh wait, my dad is with me, so yeah. Anyways, my dad. It's floating. And here is, I opened another pack and it happened to be a blizzard. Here's what blizzard looked like.
Ini kok kering yang kayak nggak ada sausnya.
And
Biasanya nggak kayak gini.
here's the other pack.
Hah?
Let's see what it is. Oh, we got a light fruit, guys. We got a light fruit. See? I really like light fruit based on if you eat it, yum. It'll give you M1s and literally you can fly. And yeah, here are the fruits that I have already opened. Light fruit is my favorite for ones like I want to eat it already. I want to eat it. Actually, I don't want to eat it first because I have food. What's this? You guys won't believe this. You guys won't believe this. The best day of my life just happened. A perm fruit! Like, look at this, guys. It's legit. It's legit. It's not even already scratched, dude. Whoa! I'm gonna put this under because it's perfect for it. Oh my god, a perm fruit. Imagine if I get perm rocket. Then some guy will go like rushing to me like, hey, give me perm rocket. And here's the other one. Whoa, got a rocket. Got a rocket. And another cone. But it's physical, but I believe I will get another light fruit with this. I just don't know. I just don't know why. Anyways, here are the two. Oh wait, I gotta eat. Wait for 1 second.
Oh, you got.
Alright, basically if you wonder what I'm eating right now, I'm eating sushi. Yum. And I got a rocket. Actually, did you know my friend bought this and he literally get this code and you know what happened? He got a kitsune fruit. That, if you really get a kitsune fruit, well, good for you. It's like Over here, I thought I thought this is a Naruto thingy, like a Naruto, you know that Naruto thingy that I don't know what it is. A shuriken, yeah, Naruto shuriken. So you can eat the food away. Yeet, if pros don't want it. And the cool thing about this is, whee! Blizzard, dude, Blizzard. My friend, his name is Philip. He got Blizzard, and he ate it. And you know what? He's already at third sea or second sea. Actually, y'all guys are not really amazed because some of y'all guys watching my video are actually just, you know, basically pros. Well, I'm not really one. Oh, wait. Alright. If you live in America, that means you can get this easily. Very easy. And yeah. Free toothpick. And now, bye-bye. Free toothpick, yay. Whip.